Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to superimpose your artwork onto a stock photo of a home interior. The first step is to open your original photo in Photoshop. You'll of course want to have a straight-on photo of your artwork to make this process easier. Select the crop tool from the toolbar or use the keyboard shortcut C. Adjust the guides as close to the edge of the artwork as possible so you don't lose any details and to keep the original dimensions of your artwork intact. Once you're happy with the selection, hit Enter to finish cropping. Now save your photo to your computer. Head to File, Export, Save for Web. Select JPEG and ensure your compression quality is set to maximum. Now that you have a properly cropped photo, you can open your stock photo in Photoshop. You'll notice that many stock photos come with something already displayed on the wall. Luckily, this is quite easy to remove. Select the Marquee tool from the toolbar. Since the shape we want to remove is a rectangle, let's use the Rectangle Marquee tool. Drag the Marquee tool over the object you want to remove. Now go to Edit, Fill. Select Content Aware and under Blending select Normal and keep your opacity to 100%. Now right-click and deselect. Voila! The object is gone and you have a clean wall to display your artwork. You can either drag and drop your photo onto this stock photo, or you can go to File, Place, Linked, and select your photo from your computer. Your photo will likely be imported larger than you want, so while the image is selected, scale it down to the right size. You're going to need to use your judgment here when it comes to the size of your painting and the context it sits in. Scale the artwork as accurately as you can to the space. Once you're happy with the size, hit Enter. Now you need to add a little drop shadowing to make it look realistic. Because this file now has two layers, the first layer being your background and the second layer being your painting, you want to make sure the artwork is selected. Press F7 or go to Window in the main menu and select Layers to display your layer panel, and just make sure the artwork is highlighted. Now go to Layer in the main menu and select Layer Style, Drop Shadow. This will bring up a new window. You can see that a drop shadow is automatically applied. However, it might not look right out of the gate. You need to look at the rest of your photo and determine where the light is coming from. In this case, the light is coming from the left, so your shadow needs to be on the right side of the painting. You can also determine the direction of the light by looking at the shadows of other objects in the photo. Simply use your mouse to drag the shadow to the correct position. Now you can use adjustments to create a realistic drop shadow that matches the other shadows in the picture. You can see other objects have a fairly transparent shadow, so make sure your opacity is tuned correctly. You can see how easy it is to make it too light or too dark. Specify how far the shadow is offset from your element with the distance setting. Adjust the spread and size settings to specify the boundary, intensity, and size of the shadow. After you refine your settings, click OK. Now you have a beautiful image of your artwork that helps buyers envision your work in their home.